How to buy MBP coin. So this token came under the symbol of MBP. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the MEXC account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on COINEX. To be able to buy this token, go and click on MEXC here. So you'll be able to find these two exchange platforms. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, for example, go down in the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account under it on MEXC and fund it with some USDT. So after you create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT, click on this referral link here. Now after that, you'll be redirected to this page on your MEXC account to be able to buy this token. So what you need to do here, just click on limit or market, it's the same. So after you click on limit, type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of that USDT to be able to buy this token. So if you click on markets, drag this to see how much your percentage that you want to use of that USDT you have in your account to be able to use it to buy this token. So this is how to buy MBP coin token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.